While we don't have the regenerative ability of axolotls, the human body is capable of replacing almost all of our cells throughout our lives through a process called turnover. Around 300 billion cells die and get replaced every day in a healthy adult's body, but it's a small percentage of the 30 trillion cells that we have. Around 86% of those cells are blood cells, but different parts of our body undergo turnover at different rates. So in this video, we will go over some of these interesting cells and their turnover rates, as well as the microbes living with us. Starting with the cell that makes up our gut linings, which need to be replaced every week since they have to endure the harsh stomach acid every day. The immune cells are also replaced about every week to ensure that they are in prime condition to fight off pathogens. Bone osteoclasts turn over every 2 weeks, and their job is to maintain and repair damaged bone tissues, which we will talk about later. Blood platelets, which are crucial for blood clotting and repairing cut wounds, also turn over about every 2 weeks. Next, we have our biggest organ, the skin. The epidermis, or the outer skin layer, turn over about every month as new skin cells are generated. The old dead skin cells are pushed to the top of the epidermis layer, serving as a physical barrier against the outside world. Another important organ is our lungs, or more specifically, the alveoli, which handle the exchange between oxygen and carbon dioxide. These cells turn over around once a month if they are damaged. Of course, we can't forget about the roughly 38 trillion microbes living inside our body as well. Weighing up to a few hundred grams, about 100 grams of these microbes are replaced alongside our cells every day, which is a much higher turnover rate than our body. Moving on to the cells with slower turnover rates, sperm cells turn over around every 2 months to make sure that they are always ready to swim up the uterus. However, egg cells are never replaced, as human females are born with around 1 to 2 million eggs that last them a lifetime. This is why fertility declines with age, since no new healthy egg cells are made to replace them. With the help of osteoclasts, the osteoblasts, which make new bone tissue, are replaced every 3 months to make sure that our skeleton is structurally sound. Though the bone tissues themselves are replaced at a much slower rate, at around 10% every year. Red blood cells, which make up around 86% of our cells, are replaced every 4 months. However, if we have lost a bunch of blood, say from a blood donation, our kidneys will stimulate our bone marrow to produce a lot more red blood cells. Similar to our skeletal system, our heart muscles also get replaced at around 10% every year. Moving on to our second largest organ, our liver turns over every half to a whole year, despite being known as the organ that can regenerate quickly. Lastly, there are a few cells that never get replaced, with the most notable bunch being the central nervous system cells, which include our spinal cord and the neurons in our brain. Interestingly, the cells that make up the lens in our eyes also never get replaced. And there we have it. Our body is constantly renewing itself, albeit not evenly. The whole idea of our body being replaced every 7 years is a huge oversimplification, since it's most likely an average of all the turnover rates. Though of course, the turnover rates will change depending on other factors such as cancer and fractures. But along with our microbiome, our body is constantly making sure that we have fresh new cells ready to keep us alive. I hope that y'all have learned something interesting today. Thank you for your time, and stay hydrated.